In the next 10 years, the world you know will be unrecognizable. Artificial intelligence will run entire cities. Your job might be replaced by a robot. You could be wearing technology inside your brain. But here's the good news. If you're watching this, you're not going to be left behind. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 6 jaw-dropping future tech predictions that will reshape humanity and exactly how you can prepare. You're watching Future Sync Tech, your weekly window into the world of tomorrow. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the future. Let's jump in. 1. The AI-powered world. By 2035, artificial intelligence won't just be in your phone, it will be everywhere. It will be the operating system of the planet. Imagine this. You wake up and your AI assistant has already adjusted your smart bed to give you optimal rest. It's analyzed your biometrics while you slept and made recommendations to improve your health. Your breakfast is already ordered, your calendar has been rescheduled based on traffic patterns and your energy levels, and your smart wardrobe has picked out an outfit based on the weather and your planned activities. This is not fantasy. This is the AI-powered world we're moving toward. Jobs will change dramatically. Goldman Sachs predicts over 300 million jobs could be affected by AI globally. Blue collar or white collar, no one is untouched. Routine jobs will vanish, but at the same time, new roles will explode. AI ethicists, prompt engineers, robot psychology advisors. Yes, those are real emerging job titles. The people who thrive in this world will be those who stop fearing AI and start collaborating with it. Learning to use AI as a tool rather than seeing it as competition is the mindset shift we all need. But AI isn't limited to productivity tools or replacing work. It's entering education. Imagine AI tutors personalized to your child's learning speed. AI can already adapt lessons to match a student's strengths and weaknesses in real time. It's revolutionizing healthcare. AI now detects diseases earlier than any human doctor. It can predict strokes and heart attacks days before symptoms appear. It can even recommend personalized treatments based on your unique genetic code. Unless you're planning to become best friends with ChatGPT, you might want to keep watching. AI in 2035 could become so integrated that your very thoughts and emotional states could be predicted by the devices around you. AI will help you live longer, work smarter, and maybe, just maybe, become better humans. But only if we wield it wisely. Coming up, we'll talk about how humans might not need to learn anything ever again. Intrigued? Keep watching. 2. Human augmentation and biohacking. This one's straight out of science fiction, but it's rapidly becoming science fact. By 2035, we're entering the era of transhumanism, where biology and technology are no longer separate. Let's start with brain-computer interfaces. Companies like Neuralink and Synchron are working on chips that literally connect your brain to the internet. You may be able to type, browse, or even communicate using only your thoughts. Imagine watching a movie in your mind, or instantly learning a language just by installing a neural program. It sounds insane, but early human trials have already begun. And we're just getting started. The field of biohacking is exploding. Think smart tattoos that change color based on hydration, nanobots in your bloodstream that repair damage at the cellular level, pills that temporarily boost your IQ. Forget forgetting your anniversary. Your brain chip will now send flowers and book a table at your spouse's favorite restaurant before you even remember the date. What about genetic editing? CRISPR is making it possible to correct inherited diseases. But what if we go beyond curing to enhancing? Taller, faster, stronger humans engineered in labs. It's no longer a distant idea. Countries are already exploring genetic advantage policies. We may see body parts printed using your DNA, personalized organ transplants on demand, and artificial limbs that outperform natural ones. But this all raises an unsettling question. When you can upgrade your brain, your strength, even your emotions, what does it mean to be human? Do we become gods or just highly modified tools? And speaking of tools, what if your car could literally fly you to work while you catch up on sleep in the back seat? You might want to buckle in for this next part. 3. The future of transportation. Jetsons, here we come. Transportation in 2035 won't just be about getting from point A to point B. It will redefine how we live, work, and move. Self-driving cars are already here, but by 2035, they'll be the default. You won't need a driver's license. Your car will be your chauffeur, your office, and your entertainment system rolled into one. Autonomous vehicles will communicate with each other in real time, making accidents almost obsolete. But it goes beyond roads. Flying taxis are no longer a concept. They're being tested in cities like Dubai, Tokyo, and Los Angeles. These vertical takeoff electric vehicles will revolutionize urban transport. Hyperloop technology, originally envisioned by Elon Musk, promises to shoot passengers through low-pressure tubes at speeds over 700 miles per hour. That's New York to DC in under 30 minutes. Electric vehicles will dominate, but we'll also see solar-powered cars with skins that absorb sunlight during your commute. So yeah, Uber may ask you to rate your drone pilot soon. Let's just hope they don't offer in-flight snacks. But this isn't just about convenience. The ripple effects will be massive. As commuting becomes frictionless, people might live farther from urban centers. Cities will stretch wider. Work from car will become a trend. Time spent commuting could become productive or recreational. And personal mobility will get weird, in a good way. One-person air drones, AI-controlled e-bikes that optimize routes in real time, smart roads that communicate with your vehicle. And here's a twist. Transportation won't just move people, it will move goods. Expect underground AI-managed delivery tunnels and drone-based food drop-offs to be the norm. But what if your entire home adapted to this future too? Let's talk about smart homes, holograms, and cities that think for themselves. 4. Future homes and smart cities. The homes of the future won't just be smart, they'll be sentient. Imagine walls that shift based on your mood, furniture that rearranges automatically, bathrooms that analyze your health every morning and alert your doctor before you know something's wrong. Smart homes will be run by central AIs that know everything, from your daily routines to your favorite pizza topics. Cities will follow. Streets that clean themselves, traffic that disappears thanks to AI routing, entire neighborhoods powered by renewable microgrids. But here's the dark side. These homes and cities will also know everything about you. Privacy, optional. So, if your toaster suddenly recommends a therapist, maybe it knows something you don't. Also, expect biometric locks, drone-based deliveries, and even AI-run neighborhood security bots. But it's not just about comfort or convenience, it's about survival. And that brings us to the future of money and identity. 5. The future of money and digital identity. Cash is dying. Your ID will go digital, but that's just the start. By 2035, you might be paid in government-backed crypto. Your identity may be stored in a blockchain wallet. Credit scores will be replaced by reputation scores based on your entire online activity. China is already testing social credit systems, and the West isn't far behind. So maybe delete those Facebook posts from 2008, you know the ones. We're also seeing a rise of universal basic income in AI-disrupted economies. People may be paid simply for existing in the system. The metaverse could become your new office. You'll own virtual land. Your avatar may have a better wardrobe than you. Urgency trigger. This isn't 50 years away. Some of this is happening now. Bridge to final section. But what happens when we go too far? Let's talk threats. This next part might give you chills. 6. threats of future tech. Not everything is bright and shiny. We're entering a time when AI deepfakes could start wars, where algorithmic bias decides who gets a job or a prison sentence, where privacy is a myth and data is currency. We're talking AI arms races, biohacking gone wrong, mass unemployment due to automation, global inequality exploding, and worst of all, a potential loss of human agency. So yeah, Black Mirror was not just a show, it was a prophecy. But don't panic, because the best way to survive the future is to understand it, and you just took the first step. Conclusion. The world in 2035 will be faster, smarter, and more connected than ever before. But the real question is, will you be ready for it? Stay curious.